CI600A series is an industrial weighing controller which supports enhanced interfaces along with high durability and weighing performances. CI600A series has better performance, better display, better interface. CI600A series performs at 200 per second of high speed and 1/20,000th of a high resolution. Since the weighing controller can shield external noises such as RFI and EMS, it is possible to be used in the industrial environment. There are two types of display, simple and control. To communicate with PC, Managing Program CI600 Manager is provided, with which you can set the value of parameter and backup weighing data. We also cover the display with a protection cover to protect from external materials. CI600A series has comfortable functions on its interfaces. Firstly, data backup becomes much easier by using USB memory stick. Various communication interfaces are provided. Two RS-232C ports and also analog output and external output are optional. Following image shows how the CI600A series communicate with system equipment. Total weighing solution, CAS.